Good day, and welcome to Core G 3D, where we put the A in PLA. Hello everybody, in today's video we will be doing Clavius 3D's Filament Subscription Box's February piano project. But before we get started, let's stare at a box for 12 minutes. Just kidding.
And away we go!
Now, first we'll grab some pieces of Alien plastic.
Hey, Corey, that's not alien plastic. That's a PCB board.
Sorry, my Alien friend. That is definitely Alien plastic. And a speaker. Official-looking electronics pieces. Piano keys. And always remember to include your anti-static bracelet when working with electronics. Now when soldering, always make sure that you have a good heat source. And I think we're going to use all the solder. Want to ensure a good bond and great conductivity.
Toasty!
Thoroughly heat your solder till it's in liquid form. And apply. Beautiful. Let's do some annealing. Looks great.
Wow! Oh, yeah.
Just let it cool down a sec and take a look. And none of the buttons work. And it broke. And it's still hot. And it still doesn't work. Great. Let's try again. Okay, we will grab another piece of Alien plastic. And let's speed this thing up to $1.20, $1.30. Whoa, would you look at that? Now let's try soldering without heat. And that's not working. Grab soldering iron. Yeah, please note I haven't soldered in about 20 years. So let's see how this goes. Okay, something's happening. Whoop. Let's give her all the way to $1.20, eh? Okay, I've currently run out of things to say. Let's put some music on. Next song. Screen's a bit fuzzy, let's adjust the tracking. Oh, would you look at this guy go? Is anybody still there? Is anyone still watching?
Filaramen! Are you in the middle of a 400-hour print and you feel that staring at it is going to help it from failing? But are you feeling hungry? Look no further than Filaramen, filament-fused ramen noodles. Boil! Cook! Serve! Season! Enjoy! Filaramen! Filaramen, brought to you by the same makers of filament candy. Filament! Warning, consuming filament is not recommended. May get lodged in your throat. May come out the same way it came in. Do not consume Filaramen. Consume Filaramen at your own risk.
Why is this company still in business? And time for inspection. That's beautiful from this side. And now we got some resistors. Apparently the rings translate to help calculate the values. I'm not going to bother to do that and just assume that the large quantity matches the majority of 2K ones on the board. Good. And I'm hoping that these two match the two 1K spots on the board. And that the loose one matches the 10K. And we'll just hope that it works. Prepare video for ludicrous speed. That's hotter than the effects of the Humidex. Yeah, I have no idea why I tried to tighten the tip. Well, it was on. But I'll just apply some flux to my finger to help soothe the pain and carry on. Also remember that when you're soldering this fast, it will look just like mine does. Pretty bad. All right, so when I put the other components in, capacitor and the CPU holder, socket holder, I like to bend the tabs over just to hold them in place. And make sure not to solder all the joints together. Hey, come on, guy, pick it up. Let's get this thing done. Okay. Reheating them helps it flow a little bit better. Let's make it look less like garbage. Alright, looking pretty good. Well, this video is grainier than Saskatchewan. I'm actually going to think a little bit here and take a look. You see that the SAD post, if you trace it on the back, now we can ensure that all the SAD terminals go to the SAD trace and all the positive ones go to the positive place. And we'll get our SAD cable and our happy cable, get them soldered up. Now we will socket the CPU, admire our work.
Uh-huh.
Put one button on. It clicks. And now let's test it out. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. Now that we got our happy and sad cables hooked up in the right position, and our battery buncher is all ready to go, well, let's go get some batteries to bunch. And apparently this here Alien plastic is of the Spanish form. You can see that this does not have the standard La Ti Do, but it has the La Si Do. Okay. One battery in. Two batteries in. And test. Hey, it works. Wait, what? That's awesome. Something is very wrong, but we have now officially made a fart piano. This is the greatest thing ever. And no. Now it's dead. Great. Let's try resoldering. Yeah, that definitely is going to improve things. Come on, Ray. Hey! Sweet. All right, now let's take a look at the STL file. Now this is... something's wrong. What the... Well, that's great. Way to go, Clavius. Now I have a floating piano. I don't know about you, but my printer cannot print in midair. Well, let's hit slice anyway and see how long this thing would take. 8 hours. Geez, that's slower than frozen molasses, eh? Okay, let's, swing it around, get some movement on the screen. Well, let's hit preview. See how many layers are buggered up. All right, in the official preview mode, and it looks like 4 layers of nothing until the main part of the piano starts to print. Well, that's not going to work for me. So I think we're going to end the video here and stay tuned for part 2, where we will design a whole new housing for this pile of electronics. She will be a beaut. And remember, always keep your nozzle clean. Because nobody likes a dirty nozzle. Hey, I wanted to thank everyone for watching today's video. Feel free to let me know down in the comments what you liked, what torqued your toque. And if you like this video, please make sure to hit like and subscribe. It is greatly appreciated. Stay tuned for more questionable content. Thanks and goodbye for now.